Good morning YouTube, how is everyone? Hope everyone's well. So back at this customer's garden today. As you can see, grass needs a cut. Grass is sort of not looking great, but it's definitely needs a bit of attention in late March. We'll give it a scarify, and I don't know if it needs top dressing, to be honest. I think it's okay for the minute. But yeah, we're going to basically just do general maintenance today, lawn cut, get the edges done. Just do the edges around this border here basically. And then, yeah, there's not a great deal going on. It's just still maintenance to be done. These bamboos. I love a bit of bamboo. Then you've got your front here, this is the rockery. Bits and bobs in there to be weeded out really. Along here we've got the rose bed basically. So cut all these roses back last year and they're all coming back quite nicely. Deadhead the hydrangeas in May time. And this rose bush, this is why I want to show you around the garden, because these roses here don't look like nothing much at the minute, but these have the most beautiful blooms. Honestly, they're so stunning. But just again, guys, look, weeds and stuff at the bottom turning over. You know, camellias come out and making a right mess. I do love them, but the problem is when we get that weather, that rain and that wind, they're so sensitive. They just, you know, they don't last long. Right, let's do some work, shall we? Or should I say, let's crack on. Dug out an ash tree.
Right.
We need some more bark as well. I'll get some next time. We'll pick some up.
Yeah, how many? We bought 9 last time, didn't we?
9 bags. We probably need another sort of like 6 along around here.
Possibly, mate.
Possibly.
I don't know, man. Think about it. That 9 bit and the point was pretty much just the length of this. Probably need like another 9 bit.
I reckon.
Probably.
Yeah, probably. Gaz is going to go over it one more time, as it's the first cut of the year, so that's 3 cuts. Reason why is because it is leaving a lot of debris behind. These hater mowers, personally, I find they're not designed to cut heavy, thick lawn. It's, one more time, Gary says, it's not designed to cut like a really thick, like long lawn. I mean, the grass wasn't long, but the haters, I find they're perfect for those weekly or fortnightly jobs where they're just taking the tops off, putting the lines back in the lawn and stuff. I mean, you can cut them high, but I also find when you've got a roller, the grass sticks to the roller and it doesn't really quite pick it up. So that's why he's going to go over it one more time. But next time we mow it, it should just be once. I won't use my hands because there's a little Berberis here and there's always little prickly bits underneath, so we'll just use the trowel. Forget-me-not, we'll leave that one in. I'll replant that because they're quite nice, a little blue flower. Some people don't like them, other people do, but I'll pop it back. When you realise it's dead. Sorry? Probably, yeah. Probably done more than my van. Hello. My lens is dirty. Me and Gaz talked about how many miles we reckon the lawnmower's done. So we just counted out how many times he's just gone over that lawn. And we worked it out that roughly each line is around 15 meters long. And we times that by 3 because he had to go over it 3 times. So we worked out it's around about 900 meters he's walked today. I think our maths is right. But yeah, so the lawnmower does a lot of mileage. Right. Oh. I don't think that made sense what I just said. Sorry, there's 20 lines, it's 15 meters a line, and we went over it 3 times, so we worked it out at 900 meters Gaz walked today. It's quite a lot, to be fair, just on one job. Peace out. There you go, guys. Final shot. Excuse me. Final shot. Lawn done. They've done the edges around the patio, and then edges round there as well. So yeah, still things coming. There's a little, I've noticed a little rhododendron over there, not looking too healthy, to be honest. I don't know what's going on with that. Yeah, a bit annoying that. Is what it is though. Plants are, you know, you can't control them. They just do what they want. You can feed them, and we put lots of feed and stuff on the beds, especially ericaceous feed for your ericaceous plants, your rhodies, your azaleas, your camellias. But yeah, so it's looking all right. It's not looking too bad. I put some bark down the end there as well. So that's just, we need to get some more bark for that bed down there. Personally, I'm not a massive fan of bark. I think it just creates more work. Mulches down, you put a liner down and then it mulches down, then weeds grow in that. The whole idea is you're supposed to try and sort of suppress the weeds, aren't you? But really it just creates soil for weeds to grow in. Personally, that's what I think. So I just prefer normal soil, because then that way you can take it out, hoe through it every time, and it doesn't look as messy. But it's the customer's choice. They want what they want, so we give them what they want. But yeah, not looking too bad. This customer's great. She tends to she does a lot of like all the sweeping and stuff. She tells us to leave most of the bits because she likes to get out and do all the sweeping herself. She says it keeps her fit. You know, don't want to take too much off it. She loves the lawn. She loves it when it's mowed. She brings her pure joy. This lawn was very bad last year, but it seems to be recovered now. It still needs just work. Every year it needs work. You need to be putting, you know, feeding it and whatnot, scarifying, overseeding if it needs it in places. But yeah, right guys, I think we're done for now anyway. Just got to go and do a few more bits. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here comes Mr. Highvis, the mighty morphin Gary Highvis man. Don't give up your day job.